What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to preview your network data usage per application in Windows 10. This should be quite an easy tutorial, but if you still have any questions then leave a comment and let me know. Search for Wi-Fi to open up your Wi-Fi system settings. On this window, go to the Data Usage tab, and from here you will be able to choose a connection which you have been using with your system. For this example, I will select my Ethernet connection, as it shows more data, and here you will be able to preview how much data usage each application has been using. These values are the combined data usage from the last 30 days. When clicking on Reset Usage Settings, you have the option to delete all of your usage stats for the selected network. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.